So first we're going to navigate to the web page mdbg.net. And we're going to type in the word for our name. My name is Dee. Now I need to scroll down. There's lots of words that are going to come up because if you remember in Chinese, the tone makes the meaning, so you will find lots of words that sound like your name. So I'm going to scroll through all of these words, these characters that say D, until I find the one that's the character for my name. There it is. I'm going to select it. And what I'm looking for here is something called the radical. If I tap on the radical, I can find that the radical for my character means bamboo. The next thing I want to do is find other words that might have my radical in them. So I'm going to navigate up to these three bars, tap on them, and select radical. Now you do need to know how many strokes it takes to write your radical. So if you try writing it out with a pencil, how many times do you have to make your pencil move? For me it was 6. So if I find 6 and then I tap on it, I'm going to find all of these words that have the bamboo radical. The last thing you're going to do with radical is try and find a word that gets some of its meaning from the radical. So if I tap on this means laugh. I don't really think that bamboo has anything to do with that. This one doesn't have a meaning, so I'm going to go back, select another one, and here you can find that this means cage or cage-like basket. So we want to think, well, maybe the cage was made out of bamboo, and that's where it gets the meaning, that's where it gets the radical. Bamboo helps the meaning. The last thing you're going to do with your name is find other words that have your character in them. Similar to compound words in English, Chinese words are often made up of compound words. So if I go back to my name, Dee, and I tap on the character in between these two asterisks, I'm going to find other words that have the character D in them. Look at this one. Ming Di means to whistle. That character Ming has a mouth component and a bird component, so we can think of why that might mean whistle. How about Jing Di? That means siren. Let's tap on the character Jing and find that it means guard, watch, alert, alarm. So we can understand why the word for that might be a combination of watch or alert or alarm and bamboo flute or whistle, because a siren is a whistle that sounds the alarm.